Why do we call it a zoo? Yesterday, a policeman shot dead a certain... Why do we call it a zoo? Yesterday, a policeman shot dead a certain lady called Comfort. Do you know why Comfort was killed? The husband has keke napep with the children inside it. Do you know why she was killed? Do you know why she was killed? 50 naira. People are saying, why don't you make Nigeria work? It can work someday. I want to live in a country where the police people don't carry guns. You want to live in a country where they carry guns. You and I don't see eye to eye, because before the white man came in my village, there was no police. Talk less of carrying a gun. Was there any stealing? Any criminality? Any war? No raping of women. This was before the white man came into our land. We had no police. But Hausa, I respect them, they had their own police. Yoruba, the Hausa used to be called Alakali. Do you remember that Alakali in primary school? Alakali? I don't begrudge you. I'm not against what you're doing as a person. I am telling you, before the British came, there was no Nigeria. Simple and short. Nigeria was what created artificial boundaries. If I may ask you, Mr. African, what is the meaning of the word Nigeria? Is it an African name? Is Nigeria an African name? It means nigger. Niger means nigger. In French, nigger is a Latin word. In French, it is called Niger. It means black. That's the meaning of it. Even yesterday, one of your musicians, Nigga Raw, changed his name to Mr. Raw. Why? Because in America, he went to Apple and said to Apple, I cannot sell my music. He's a Nigerian artist, a zoo artist, I should say.
Wow.
He said to them, why are you not selling my music? They said, you cannot answer this name here. He said, but this thing means nigger. Nigger means Niger. Niger Raw. That's what I answered. They said, no. Here is an offensive word. Remove it. He changed only yesterday to Mr. Raw. Changed his name. Is the name Nigeria African? The answer is no. What is driving me mad is this. Who created Nigeria? Was Nigeria created by Africans? The answer is no. I don't hate people. I don't dislike people. But anything that comes from that place is not worthy.
All right, welcome back. Welcome back. How are we all doing today? So I just want to make a quick reaction to a post that COS DPM Dr. Ngozi made regarding the warning from United States of Biafra to Nigeria. Constantly, they have made this post, made this request, informing the world, the UN, the world leaders about the USB, that is United States of Biafra, re-declaration of their own sovereignty. So the leadership of USB, Biafran government, are doing everything humanly possible to pass this message so that people can, the two nations can depart, peacefully. Sometimes even people have argued that Nigeria is not a nation, but I'm not here to talk about it, because when you check about the definition of the nation, you will understand why some people don't agree. But like I said, that is true for that day. So I'm gonna make the video quick. Before we go through the post, do me a favor and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your comment is on so that I will know what you think about what you're about to talk about. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the post. As you can see on your screen, this is a post made by COS DPM Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, who happened to be the leader of United States of Biafra as we speak, after the arrest of Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister. She continued, and she's the one that took the mantle and began to, propagate the Biafran freedom to the whole world notice. Now, she made this post today, being the 10th of August, Sunday, 10th of August 2025. As you can see on your screen, she said, breaking Sunday, August 10, 2025. The Nigerian currently occupying a foreign land. The refusal of Nigerian President Tinubu and his defense chief, Christopher Musa, to peacefully withdraw all the Nigerian military and police troops from the United States of Biafra land is a call for chaos and breakdown of law and order in that part of the world. The United States of Biafra government, led by its cabinet, is hereby put the world on notice on the refusal of President Tinubu to peacefully withdraw all Nigerian troops from the United States of Biafra, despite several notices. They have refused. That's why, she made this post. This is not the first time they are dishing out this request for everybody, because war is something terrible. Nobody wants to go to war. Nobody wants to see, buying each other just because of what. So we are trying to understand the point from the United States of Biafra government, as they have made this post, this notice, time without number. That's why I said I would like to hear from you through your comment. So put your comment here and make sure you share this video so that you get to people that matter, people that may know someone that knows someone that know the world leaders, so that they will understand and pay attention for this call for peace that the USB have been calling, so that nobody is going to lose anybody. Now, they said the United States of Biafra was declared as a sovereign nation on November 29, 2024 in Latin Finland after a self-referendum where over 50 million Biafrans voted to exit Nigeria. Nigeria has been declared as the most dangerous country in the world for Christians to live. Biafrans are Christians mainly, not only Christians, of course, but 2/3 of Biafrans are Christians. That's just the gospel truth. We have Judaism, we have traditional worshippers. That is the three major religions you can find in Biafra, but mainly Christians. And truly, Christians are going through hell in that part of the world. Not only in Biafra alone, every corner of Nigeria today, Christians are targeted. And the annoying part is that those targeting them will come out publicly and claim, and even threaten you the more that the one you are seeing is just a preamble, that they will do more. Now, the quotation of the letter said, Nigerian reintegrates and rehabilitates non-terrorists into their country, because all the security apparatus, Nigerian army, Nigerian police, Nigerian navy, name it, they are open for reintegrated Boko Haram and all other, well-known terrorists like ISWAP, like Fulani headsmen, all these people, even Mieti Allah, because they said that they are the one in charge of cattle raiders, but they don't have any cattle to even move about or whatever they call that. But they don't want to support anything ranches, but they won't prefer to move cattle from place to place just to take your land and grab land to dominate Christians and buy them because they want to propagate jihadism. So it is not hidden. It is not hidden. So that is the message. The quotation said, Biafrans do not want to coexist with non-reintegrated terrorists who killed men and displaced indigenous. If you doubt, go to Benue State today. You will understand the reason why it is so. You will know why it is like that, because it is not something hidden. It is a well-known fact that people should also try their best to pay attention to know why is it this way. All this thing is not a mere talk. It is evidently proved. The government of the United States of Biafra must protect its people and territory. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, DPM, COS, United States of Biafra. This post was made when, as you can see here today, and of course, this post has attracted many comments and many reactions. So we are not going to go through the comments, Let's just go scan through maybe one or two so that you understand what I'm talking about. So it's not a robotic post. This is a real fact from USB, COS, Dr. Ngozi, who happen to be the leader as we speak. This person said, yes, this is the voice of all Biafrans. Nigerians should peacefully do the needful for peace. Exactly, because it's a call for peace. Another person said, Nigeria is a renowned bully. Is a renowned bully. They have been at this for the past 60 plus years. It is time the war stepped into. It is time for the war step in to say enough is enough for the sake of peace and global coexistence. The Biafrans have suffered enough, be kicked around all over the world when they have a great home. Very, very important, very, very well, very, very good. A nice comment. USB is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. These are Honchuks. The earlier the better for all. The earlier the better for all us. They will see the thing they are looking for in Biafra land. People are not happy. That's just a fact. Anyway, my people, like I promised that I'm not going to make this video to be too long. Please let me know your take on this. I just want to bring this report as it is hot from office of Biafran government in exile leader, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, and Biafrans have actually spoken. So my people, tell me what you think about it in the comment section and make sure you share this video, like it, click on the like button, and let's meet on comment section. I would like to know your own take. Do you agree or disagree? Feel free to put your comment. God bless you and see you again. Bye-bye for now.